All right. What's happening with your baby? It's Roger over here, prospering with Forex. Forex is a beautiful concept, man. Beautiful thing. All right, let's look at CADJPY. The loonie in the yen, the Canadian dollar versus the yen. Let's look at it right now. It takes about 85.35 yen to get 1 Canadian dollar right now. As you already know, the prices fluctuates right now. The technicals over here on Tradingview says it is a strong. It's a strong. I won't say strong. It's an okay buy, right? But let's look at it. It is on the uptrend, right? Dating back from about November, right? It's on a crazy uptrend. If you'd have grabbed it, if you'd have put in an order here, it have kept going up. Let's see how high can it go. Let's see how high can it go. It can make it all the way up to here. This is about 14 years. In 2014. It can go higher than that, right? Let's put it up here. This is high. This is back in the day, 10 years ago. Excuse me. It's about 12 years ago, 13 years ago. You can see if it can make it up. Now, this is the monthly chart. Even the monthly chart, you know, is hitting, it's touching that Bollinger Band right there. I don't know if you trade monthly, but you gotta have a lot of patience, and you don't really gotta have a lot of money, but you gotta have money in it that you don't really, that you don't need right now. All right, so look, we're touching that Bollinger Band. We already almost at the 80 on the RSI. We at 75. I'm gonna change this to about. Let me see. I'm gonna hit my band. I like to grab things when they're a little bit higher. Alright. So stay for boom. So I like it when it touches the 75. It's not at the 75 yet, almost, but it looks like it's getting ready for a sell, man. It's oversold. You want to come down for a buy. I want to come down right here. So if you want to wait before you buy it, you don't want to buy at the top of the market. That's the weekly. Let's look at the daily. Charts are all weird when you do that, right? You don't want to buy at the top of the market right now. Okay, Canada yen right now is at the top of the market, but it is at the uptrend. But if you buy right now at the top of the market, you're gonna go through a lot of drawdown, right? You don't want to go through that drawdown. I mean, you can if you want to, if you got patience, but you don't want to do it. So I will wait until it comes down. Look at this band. Look at that moving average. It's going to touch that moving average around and bounce up, right? It's going to come around. It's going to float around, bounce up. It's come around, float around, and bounce up. So this is your target area, 83. 83.5. So let it come down a little bit more. Right now it's at 85. If it comes down, or you can get into a sell order. You know what I mean? It's kind of vicious, but you can wait. I will wait to come down. I will put in a buy limit. Whoop. So to come down and go right back up. Take your time. Do your studying. Do your research. Okay. Now this is a day trade, right? So we're not looking. Right, this is the day trade. We're not looking to get in and out right away. This isn't scalping. This isn't. You're not sitting in front of your computer. I mean, you're waiting for the trade. You're waiting for a good entry. Right. You can come down lower for the 4 hour to find a good entry. So this is where you use your support and your resistance. Bang, bang. Right. Nice support around here. Okay. Got good support right here. Like I said, around that momentum, right? Almost around that target area where I put it, right? Another support right here, baseline. I wouldn't wait till it goes down here. If it goes past this line, that means the market's going to reverse. It's going to sell. It's going to do something crazy, right? So that's why you look at different charts. different times and different different time frames, it tells you different stories. All right, but it's still around that circle, bouncing off that Bollinger Band. Boom, it can come right back up. So what we're looking for, a 4 hour, you don't want to trade at the top of the market, right? Could get a little push, but it's hitting at 70. You can wait till it gets up to 80, right? 80 is a little vicious, right? You can get up there, you can press the buy button now, wait to get up there. Look like it's going down now, right? See that candlestick? Look like it's going down, baby. 85.3. So just take your time with Canada yen. It is gonna go back up. We gotta go down. I'd rather you buy it at a discount rather than pay full price for it now. You know it's gonna go down a little bit and then come back up. I don't want you to experience too much drawdown in your account. Alright, so make sure that you exercise proper risk management before taking this trade. Alright, so before we leave, let's look at USDJPY. Same thing. And this is a whole different setup on USDJPY. Whole different setup. This is the tools that I use to find my trades. Alright, so once again, I'm looking at the daily. Right, I look at the whole big picture of all that money, all that activity. Right, I look at the whole big picture. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got. I'm looking at the daily. I'm gonna look at the weekly. This is the Ichimoku cloud. Now you don't want to trade while it's in the cloud, right? And if it's above the cloud, you buy. If it's below the cloud, you sell. So if I'm looking for a buy with USDJPY, right, I look at 3 different time frames. I look for the price to be out of and above the cloud, which it is. However, I'm not going to buy USDJPY right now. I'm not looking to go long, or long term I'm looking to go long, but just as the other one, right, the RSI is it's touching 80, so it's definitely oversold. Even though people are, overbought, people are buying like crazy. It's on an uptrend. The Ichimoku cloud tells me it's on an uptrend. Look at this crazy up, boom. Right, I don't know what just happened right there. Right, crazy uptrend, but I want it to come down. And if I put in some Bollinger Bands, let me see if I can get that picture up there. Bollinger Bands probably tell me, yep, look, it's on the right, touching my Bollinger Bands. Right, I never want to buy when it's touching the top of the Bollinger Bands. It's not a good time to do it. Have patience. Wait, look at this one, all on the Bollinger Bands. Right, I mean, it's past them. Right, I will wait to buy at a discount, even at the 4 hour. Now you can get in the sell, but you're fighting a trend. You're fighting a trend if you want to get in the sell. You don't really want to fight the trends. Big strong trend on the upside. I mean, the trend probably started from here, and way back here the trend started. Look at that, boom. Trend started all the way down. It's not even on the chart, right? A little consolidation up. Right, I'm gonna wait for the pullback, grab it on the pullback, and ride that thing all the way up. Just ride that trend, right? Like I said, same issue with CADJPY. You don't want to buy it right now. Wait for the pullback. Don't buy at the top of the market, right? It's like you buy low, sell high. Wait for the discount. I mean, but unless you just want to push the button and wait, but it's definitely an uptrend. Everything is pointing towards the uptrend. It's looking like a good buy, looking like a good move. But this is a long-term trade. This will put bigger money in your pocket. You'll catch bigger pips. And you'll have more fun trading forex. Right? Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go finish my ribs, rice, and cornbread with some Coca-Cola. Getting back on the grind. Look, I see you at the top. Let me know what you're doing. If you think this is a good trade, how are you trading? I mean, you might be trading you might be scalping it. Now, scalping is a whole different game. I don't play the scalps. A little bit I do, man, but not really. My main game is I want to catch big pips, 100 pips a trade. Look, I see you at the top. Stay focused out here.